All right, day 3. It's 8 a.m. right now. At 9 o'clock, we are getting picked up to go on some excursions today. We're gonna go horseback riding. It's really cool. The horses actually go into the water, into the beach to swim, I guess, with us. That's really cool. And then we're gonna go river rafting on a little bamboo. So it's not like a whitewater rafting where it's like extreme. Just very relaxed, just going through the stream. And there's a guy who pedals with the bamboo raft, so that's really cool. We'll be back afternoon, and then we're gonna hang out, grab some more food. Alright, we are on our way to our adventure. The views have been amazing so far.
Yeah, man. Ready to go. We got our hats fitted. Ready to go.
It's the first time wearing a helmet for horseback riding. I guess we're gonna go.
Then you want the horse to go right, you pull right. You want to go left, you pull left.
Yeah, baby. On the horses.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Hola, hola. Hola. Stop the masturbation. Where to hold him? Where to hold him? Where to walk?
Got a funny guy here.
Listen.
Are you ready? Yeah, let's go, baby. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go, let's go.
Ride him, boy. Come on, boy. Come on, partner. Ride him, boy.
Ooh, that was cool. That was cool. Boys doing good. That horseback was fun. Gonna grab some food. Then we're gonna go river rafting too. Alright, so we just got our food, our lunch, and we're gonna go river rafting. We don't have much time, so just some jerk chicken, rice, and cabbage. I had to buy, it's really delicious. So we're gonna eat this quickly and go river rafting.
We're here. Got rafts all along the river.
It's super cool.
So we're going to get offered a limestone massage, a champagne bottle, and coconuts.
Yeah, buddy.
All included. So we're excited. This might be my favorite thing we've done in Jamaica so far.
Don't show me the shine part.
Thank you.
We are here in Montego Bay at the Great River with our Capitan Eugene. He's going to take us around the Great River. With the champagne bottle popping, you know what I mean? Wagwan.
Irie.
Wagwan. Irie.
Thank you.
Tell me, madam, where you want to go?
On the limestone. It's good for like eczema, stretch mark, sunburn, mosquito bite, pain, jaundice, infection. Also when you put it over your body, make your body more softer, smoother, lighter, no black spot, no bumps. Also the more you use it, the more you get younger.
It's gonna heal my legs.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I be like, see if in the right band, this you can drink a beer, but don't do the but escape.
Jamaica, man. One love.
Yeah.
Oh, it feels really good.
Hey, why you staying on my eyes on you.
You go back and your friends and ask you what's on your legs. That's your jungle socks.
Jungle socks.
You're in the jungle, we gave you a jungle sock.
Jungle socks.
The limestone massage was actually really good.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Exfoliating, yes, and then that pressure was good too. You know what I mean? One love, Jamaica. Hello, princess. We're in Jamaica. No problem. We go where they go. Bambakulat.
Oh, this is nice. I'm gonna lay my feet in here. That's the Jamaican vibe here.
Take off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Coconut.
Thank you.
You want the
Take
water
it.
flow to your heart, your liver, kidney.
Coconut.
Yeah.
Put the lime in the coconut and twist it all up.
I genuinely love coconut water. It's very refreshing. I'm an island gal. That was super fun. Must do in Jamaica is go on the water rafting. They treat you like a king and queen, and it's just a good experience overall.
Alright, we just came back. All the events from Chukka. I don't know, but that's where we booked ventures with. That's a big company that does everything. They have the horseback riding, ATV, dune buggy, zip lining, river rafting, everything you can think of. They have it all. We just came back right now. It's about like a little after 4. We were told we're gonna get back around 3:30, but it's a little late, but it doesn't matter. We're in Jamaican time, island time. We got all the times in the world, and it was really good time. Lily's gonna get ready and we're gonna go to Pelican Grill so we can try out some food out there. We want to get some oxtail today, Jamaican food. We want to go get some right now. So we arrived at the place called the Pelican Grill. I was recommended to come here to have some oxtail.
Ready for some oxtail?
The menu looks great. All the local food.
Ackee and saltfish appetizer. Mango jerk wings.
Mango scotch.
Mango scotchy wings. Ding.
That's a good shot.
Okay. Oxtail. Wow. Nice. Thank you.
I love anything stewed like this.
So soft.
It's like falls off the bone. Like collagen is so nice.
And some like barbecue type of sauce. It's good, huh?
Alright, so Pelican Grill, that was amazing. It's definitely worth it. I would recommend this place. If you haven't been here and you've been to Montego Bay, you missed out. If you're in Montego Bay, the Pelican Grill, definitely worth to check out. It's a really nice environment, atmosphere inside. The ladies are nice, food is delicious. Can't complain. They are amazing. They are so good. So good. So good. Wow. The music's great out here. The drinks are slaying. The drinks are good. The food is good. We're currently at a place called the Blue Mountain. It's part of the all-inclusive restaurants. There's Jamaican cuisine here. Let me tell you, everything was phenomenal. We had the oxtail again. We had passion fruit barbecue wings. We had jerk seafood boil. Wow. And we had a spare ribs that was marinated in coffee. Wow, baby. Ooh. Chef's kiss. Yaman. One love. No problem. Thank you for all the food. It's delicious. The drinks are amazing. We've been just like slaying drinks like it's, I don't know what you guys be slaying nowadays. We're waiting on dessert. We got the bread pudding and the fruit sorbet.
We just ate a full course meal. I'm trying to suck in all my stomach.
It's beautiful out here. We are jamming. That was a wrap. That's a wrap for day 3. It's been a great 3 days in Jamaica so far.
This is my first time at a resort, and I will say 5 stars all around. I like the idea of having 2 resorts to choose from.
That's cool. Yeah, we definitely lucked out on choosing this resort because we get benefit of both. But yeah, wrapping up day 3. We're calling it nights. We're gonna go get some rest because we got early morning tomorrow. We're going to Ocho Rios to Dunn's River Falls. Some outdoor activity time. Good night, man.